Delhi, the bustling capital of India, is facing a silent crisis. The air, once vibrant and life-giving, is now heavy with pollutants. This is a story familiar to many metropolitan cities in India, but Delhi NCR stands out, often topping the charts for the world's most polluted city. The air we breathe, essential for life, is slowly choking the city and its inhabitants. The sight of a hazy skyline has become a common occurrence, particularly during the winter months. This haze, a deadly cocktail of pollutants, hangs heavy in the air, obscuring the sun and casting a shadow on the city's spirit. The air quality deteriorates to alarming levels, posing a serious threat to the health and well-being of millions. The culprits behind Delhi's air pollution woes are no secret. Vehicular emissions, industrial waste, and construction dust are the main contributors to this environmental crisis. Each plays a significant role in polluting the air, creating a toxic mix that is hazardous to breathe. The sheer volume of vehicles on Delhi's roads is staggering. As the city grows, so does its dependence on private vehicles. The result is a constant stream of exhaust fumes, releasing harmful pollutants like carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides into the air. Adding to this burden are the industrial units operating in and around the city. Many of these industries lack adequate pollution control measures, releasing a toxic cocktail of chemicals and particulate matter into the atmosphere. The rapid pace of construction and infrastructure development further exacerbates the problem. The evidence of Delhi's air pollution crisis is not just visible to the naked eye, it's backed by hard data. Studies conducted by organizations like the Center for Science and Environment, CSE, paint a grim picture. According to their analysis, PM 2.5 levels in Delhi often exceed the safe limits by several times, particularly during the winter months. These microscopic particles, PM 2.5, are small enough to penetrate deep into our lungs, causing respiratory and cardiovascular problems. The data also reveals a high concentration of other harmful pollutants like ozone and nitrogen dioxide, further contributing to the city's poor air quality. Section 4. A public health emergency. The human cost. The consequences of breathing Delhi's toxic air are severe and far-reaching. The health impact is particularly alarming, with respiratory illnesses like asthma and bronchitis on the rise. Hospitals report a surge in patients with respiratory distress, particularly the elderly and children, who are more vulnerable to the effects of air pollution. Beyond respiratory ailments, long-term exposure to polluted air can lead to chronic diseases like lung cancer and heart disease. It also affects the cognitive development of children and can have serious implications for their future health and well-being. Section 5. Breathing easy again. Solutions for a cleaner Delhi. Addressing Delhi's air pollution requires a multi-pronged approach, tackling the problem at its source. Stricter emission standards for vehicles, coupled with incentives for electric and hybrid vehicles, can significantly reduce vehicular emissions. Industries must be held accountable for their environmental footprint. Implementing and enforcing stricter pollution control measures are crucial. Promoting cleaner production technologies and encouraging industries to switch to cleaner fuels can also make a difference. Section 6. A call for action. Clearing the air together. The fight against air pollution is not just the responsibility of the government. It requires a collective effort. Citizens must be made aware of the severity of the problem and their role in mitigating it. Encouraging the use of public transport, carpooling, and cycling can significantly reduce the number of vehicles on the road. Promoting green spaces within the city and its outskirts can act as natural air purifiers. Planting more trees, creating urban forests, and developing green corridors can help improve air quality and enhance the city's aesthetics.